Going on, guys? It's Cutler Kid, and today I just wanted to do an EDC update video. This is what I've been carrying as of late. A lot of things have changed since the last video I did, which wasn't too long ago, a couple weeks. And well, let's just start off with the stupid stuff. Chapstick. Carry chapstick on me all the time. Lighter in school. You know, in case I ever need it. Wallet, just a trifold. I'm carrying around cough drops because I am sick, if you can't tell. It's not usually something I'm gonna always carry, but just some headphones in case I need them in school. Sorry about that. Then I've got a necklace and a ring with a ring spacer on it. Doesn't quite fit, it's a little big. And I've got a paracord bracelet here that I had given to me as a gift. It's just got a Bible verse here on it, Philippians 4:13. So nothing special. I tend to switch off my paracord bracelets a lot. I have 5, 6 of them, so I usually never have the same one. And then I got a watch. It's the Timex Expedition. Works well. It's just a simple watch. It's the day, the date, the time. It has a stopwatch on it. I mean, great little watch. Nothing too overcomplicated. That's what I like about it. Flashlight, still rocking the same flashlight, but I threw a lanyard on there. Just a little easier to grab in the pocket. Went through my first battery in this thing, so the batteries last quite a while. And now that it is softball season, my girlfriend, she always has to throw her hair up before practice. She never has stuff to do it, so I just grabbed some bobby pins and a ponytail of hers, threw it on me, just carry it every day just in case she needs it, you know, sweet like that. And then I've been rotating between TAC 4 Speedster, which you will see a full review on soon, and of course, my baby Cold Steel Mini Recon one. It's the Mini. So it's gotten a lot heavier over the last couple days, but usually, and almost forgot my phone that I'm holding, and cell phone, S4 OtterBox, love it, dropped it all the time. So there's nothing too special. Wallet goes in the left cargo pocket, along with the lighter and cough drops. Knife gets clipped into my right pocket. Flashlight hangs in my left pocket with the lanyard hanging out. Watch on the left, ring on the left. Necklace are obviously around the neck. Bracelet around the right. Headphones in the right cargo sometimes. Left cargo, it really doesn't matter. Phone usually goes in the left pocket or left cargo. And this goes in my left pocket. So phone usually goes in the right pocket or right cargo. And that's how I usually carry it. I like to leave my back pockets empty so I don't get uncomfortable with sitting through school all day. But yeah, that's my April EDC. Cough drops won't be in here as soon as I'm not sick, obviously. But that I just do an update for you guys because I've added quite a few things. Not, I mean, the watch and the jewelry, so, and the for my girlfriend, her little. But it's just a good idea I threw in there for her. There's nothing tactical about that, but I guess if you really need to use a bobby pin to pick a lock. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.